Think about it, ring one time.
Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. I'm doing good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. You guys might be wondering watching this atmosphere. Even me guys, because I have not visited this place. My family has been visited last week. This is Surendrapuri temple, 60 kilometers from Hyderabad, which is in Yadadri, Bhuvanagiri district, Telangana. It's a theme based museum, guys. Just to get an awareness of Indian tradition, in this museum, nearly full size replicas of almost all the important Hindu temple makes one feel as if we are in an actual holy place. This is actually a short trip of about 3 to 4 hours. Definitely, you're gonna enjoy this theme park. There are a few hundred such replicas are displayed in open air indoors depending on the size of the replica and the mythological scene portrayed. There are sculptures and paintings depicting stories from major Hindu epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavat, various scenes of war between Rama and Ravana in Ramayana, including Padma Vyuha in Kurukshetra between Kauravas and Pandavas in Mahabharata, are carved beautifully and portrayed in great way. It provides a good visual background of what Hindu mythology is all about. One does not have to be religious to visit this place, guys. And also 110 replicas of various temples located all over the country. Each place, each theme really contains a great background and a great history behind each theme, guys. Though I have not been there, after watching this video, I definitely want to visit this place. I just decided right now. Worth visiting this particular museum, guys, and you're gonna get a unique experience out of it. This is one place offers you the delight of visiting of more than 100 temples from all over the India. It's just 60 kilometers from Hyderabad, guys. Locally, it is also called as Kunda Satyanarayana Kaladamam. Once you get inside, you'll not be missing any of the theme because the way they have created in such a way that you will not be missing any of the theme. Here, the moment also you can see, guys, it's beautifully they made it. I don't have words to talk about this temple, guys, because it's that beautifully they just planned and they just created the themes behind, because to just get the awareness of our tradition, to understand very easily, they just made this, and we really love this temple. And if you guys like it, just try to visit at least once in your life. That's all for today's one. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.